Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to set sensitivity in Call of Duty Mobile. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Call of Duty application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Call of Duty if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner we have, as you can see, your achievements. In the bottom left corner, we have the store. In the top right corner, we have your settings. And in the bottom right corner, we have, of course, the start button where you can go and start a game. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and set sensibility in Call of Duty Mobile. So first of all, launch the game on your device, of course, and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner to open the settings menu, as so. Now, select the basic tab from the left-hand side menu and tap on controls. As you can see, the first thing is the controls. Then when you're there, adjust the camera sensitivity, firing sensitivity, and hip fire sensitivity according to your preferences. Then go to practice mode to test your settings and make further adjustments if of course that is needed. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.